Hi, welcome to Truck Smart. I'm Carl Young. Today I'm here to show you this brand new 2022 Ram 5500 4x4 mechanics truck. It has a 6.7 liter turbo diesel Cummins engine, 6-speed Acetylene automatic transmission. Comes with an 11-foot Palfinger crane body. The crane has an 8,000 pound capacity and a 29.1 foot reach. Come over here and show you some details on the inside. So as I said, this brand new 2022 Ram 5500 comes with a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, 6-speed Acetylene automatic transmission. It is a 4-wheel drive. The truck has power windows, power locks, cruise, tilt telescopic steering, Bluetooth, backup camera, and PTO driven. This 11-foot Galvanealed steel body has aluminum doors. Comes with a sliding 6-drawer aluminum toolbox. Has front additional stabilizers on top of the hydraulic rear outriggers. The entire body has been coated in Linex, the 21-inch rear work bumper, inside the 11-foot bed, the tops of both sides of the compartments. This truck also comes equipped with a 100 CFM air compressor, remote operator for the crane, and hydraulic outriggers for up and down on both sides. There are also additional stabilizers in the front corners of both sides of the body. This Palfinger crane is PTO driven, has a 29.1 foot reach, hydraulically operated extensions, and an 8,000 pound capacity. These trucks are brand new 2022 leftovers. Come with a 3-year warranty from Ram that starts the day that you pick it up. 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty from Cummins, and the trucks are over $20,000 cheaper than a 2024. So please check it out on our website. Give me a call, 215-946-7221. My name is Carl. Thank you.